Now, the concern of many persons doing online business or doing any work generally is that after working hard for any company or doing all these tasks, that you end up being paid. There are so many businesses I did way back when I was starting my online business more than 10 years ago that never paid me to date. I did them and worked tirelessly, and in the end I ended up getting paid, like reading of emails and taking some surveys. That is why it is very, very important you get to understand that you are doing the right thing, and in the end you are getting paid. Now, on the screen you will see 4 Microtasks websites. 3 of them are similar to Picoworkers, and they actually follow the same format. That is why we are only going to be touching Picoworkers. Though you still register with all of the others, you start we concentrate on Picoworkers, because the moment you understand how Picoworkers work, you can easily use the knowledge to register with Remotasks, Rapidworkers, or Microworkers. So these are actually the 4 Microtasks jobs website that I know and I'm sure that they actually pay, and they have been paying people not just this year but from way back. So let's look at each of them. Let me take you to the various websites briefly. Now, this is picoworkers.com. We are not going to be signing in. I just want to take you through each of the websites before I show you how you actually open an account the proper way, which is going to be the next video, the 4th video. Now, this is the Pico website. You see, you can come in here as a business owner. The business owner asks people for help, just like this. Sign up to a website, test your app, write honest review, take survey, annotate. So the business owners pay the Picoworkers platform. Then you come in as a freelancer. You are the one that deliver those jobs, which I'm going to show you how to do, and in the end you get paid. You see, they are just small jobs, simple, easy to do, and there are many workers available. They are encouraging people to come in, and they encourage business owners to come in and do business with them, and they are creating an avenue for you to earn. Now, these are some of the featured jobs. You can see them there. I want you to go through this website. It is very, very important if you have not done that. So these are some of the small small jobs. There are actually more than that, but those are the featured one. So this for Picoworkers, and you can get in there. Many of you have already registered, picoworkers.com. Then the second one on the list, we have Remotasks. Remotasks is similar as well to Picoworkers. It's similar as well to Picoworkers. You can just come in here, you click on it, and you direct you. It's a 1-page website to what? The tasks. You see, image annotation, categorization, image transcription, comparison, do transcription, and data collection. Simple tasks that you can do, and that's it for what? Remotasks.com. Then this one we have Rapidworkers. Rapidworkers, you see, this is their website. I don't want you to start opening accounts with all these websites. This is their website, and you see, these are some of the activities. See, YouTube, follow on Twitter, have insurance, create Gmail. You understand? And these are some of the reasons why I said that you should open all the social media accounts. I forgot to add in Twitter. You need to open a Twitter account if you don't have one for now. Then the final one is the Microworkers website, also similar to all the others that we have done. But the problem with the Microworkers website is that they need an authentication, meaning that they will send a message to your phone number. Do you understand? They will send a message to your phone number. They need US citizen. They will send for more than so and so workers worldwide. They are set worldwide, but if you are going to be getting a lot of jobs, I told you earlier on, you will need to come in as a US citizen, and they will send a message to your phone. 2-step verification rating two-step verification. Yeah, and if you don't have a US phone number, it becomes a problem. I don't want to start getting into how you can get a US number. So for this advanced class, we are going to concentrate on this, and this, three of them, and just allow Microworkers to sleep for now until you have gotten. I don't want to get you confused. So we are now going to get into the proper way of opening a